Hello, I'm Tom Ballard, also known as the Groundwater Guy. I want to talk about the critical role that Geographic Information Systems, or GIS, plays in asset management for small water utilities. A GIS database of assets such as valves, distribution lines, and water meters is essential to maintaining an efficient and effective asset management plan. This tool allows utility managers to visualize the entire water distribution network, making it easier to monitor and maintain these assets. Precisely knowing the location and condition of each component aids in proactive maintenance and quicker response to failures. Ultimately, a GIS database not only boosts operational efficiency, but also enhances the reliability of service provided to the community. Investing in GIS technology is truly investing in the future of your water utility. Thank you for joining me on this topic, and I look forward to your thoughts and questions.